Respect to the universe. Don't have to waste DJ Breezy. Kick it like a Moroccan. I'm ready for that for people. Put my return them. And I predict it. Get this thing about the team right now. Alright.